Hi future employers, my name is Danijel 30-year-old single male from Melbourne, Victoria. 10 years experience on the road driving. Also I do have a formal qualification as a pilot, but never chose to chase that venture, but nevertheless. So 10 years on the road, from road trains to singles to heavy rigid trucks. I got a dangerous goods license, been inducted into the Sydney Chemical Plant at Potney there, with Ixom. Did quite a bit of chlorine work and all that kind of stuff. So oversized as well, refrigerated work, so containers, anything pretty much, to cars and large machinery, oversize. I am looking for a good company with to make my mark as an employee and get looked after each way. So yeah, hopefully I hear back and be good. Thank you.